Good afternoon. My name is Akram Vajamila and I'm a fourth year bachelor student of Kazakh National Women's Teacher Training University. And today I'm going to show you a small part of my lesson that I gave to students of an 8th grade during my practice at school, gymnasium number 15. And at this lesson, I will explain the students the difference between usage of several, plenty of, a small or a large number of, and a small or a large amount of. So let's start the lesson. Good afternoon, dear students. Today we're going to learn a new theme when we use several, plenty of, a large or small amount of, and a large or small number of. We will learn the difference in usage between these words. So let's start. Let's look at the first example. I've saved a considerable number or amount of money. So here we have number and amount, and the meaning of these words are the same. So how do you think which answer will be correct? The correct answer is I've saved a considerable amount of money. So why can't we use here a number? Because we use number only with countable nouns, okay? Only with countable, and amount with uncountable nouns. So the money here is uncountable noun, and that's why we use amount. So the money, yes, the money is uncountable noun. The money itself as a dollars, pennies, and etc. are countable, but the money as a noun is uncountable, the same as the words like water, sugar, and earth, etc. So, let's look at the next example. I've sold an amount or number of cars. How do you think what is the right answer will be here? The right is I've sold a number of cars. Yes, because the cars is a noun here and the cars is countable noun. That's why we use number. So, did you understand the difference? Yeah, did you get it? The amount is used with uncountable nouns that we can't count like as a normal way, and number is used with countable nouns. Is it clear? Okay, the next example. These thermos can hold plenty of or a large number of tea. So, how do you think? What is the right answer here? Plenty of or a large number of tea? These thermos can hold plenty of tea or a large number of tea. Let's see. The right answer is this thermos can hold plenty of tea. Why? Because we use large number of something or a small number of something only with countable nouns again, and tea is uncountable noun as we know. Yeah, am I right? So that's why here we use plenty of. The next example, I want to say to stay for several or small amount of days. I want to stay for several small amount of days. What is the right answer here? The right is I want to stay for several days, not a small amount of days, yeah? But the meaning actually is the same of the two words, several and a small amount of. So why do we use several here? Because we use small or large amount of something only with uncountable nouns, and as we know, the noun days is countable. Yeah, so that's why we use here several days, and we can't use small or a large amount of days. And now let's look at the page number 91, exercise 5b. Let's do this exercise. I bought cakes from the bakery earlier. I bought several amount number cakes from the bakery earlier. So how do you think what is the right answer here? The right answer here is several. Yes, I bought several cakes from bakery earlier because we use several with countable nouns to express a small number of something. Or we can also use here a plenty. I bought a plenty. If it was of here, like of cakes, we can use I bought a plenty of cakes from the bakery earlier. The second, there is a large of expensive restaurants opening in town. So a large amount or a large number, yeah? Which one? How do you think? Yes, you are right. A large number of expensive restaurants opening in town. Why? Because restaurants are countable noun. No, it's countable noun. Okay, the next one. Don't worry, there is of pudding for everyone. Which one? Yes, absolutely, you're right. Don't worry, there is plenty of pudding for everyone. Plenty of pudding here. So it will be enough for everyone. The next and the last is a lot of people consume a lot of sugar on a daily basis, which is very unhealthy. Let's think. Yeah, absolutely. We use here amount. A lot of people consume a large amount of sugar on a daily basis, which is very unhealthy. So why do we use amount here? Because you're right, because sugar is uncountable noun, and that's why we can't use number of something here. Yeah. So I think now this theme is more clear for you. So let's revise everything. We use plenty of with countable and uncountable nouns, like there is plenty of food in the fridge. We use several only with countable nouns to express a small number of something, like I drank several cups of tea this morning. We use large or small amount of with uncountable nouns, like we must lower the amount of red meat in our diets. And we use large or small number of with countable nouns, like the number of students who eat at the school canteen has increased. Okay, I hope that this lesson was useful for you and you will use these rules correctly. Have a nice day and good luck.